Hi everyone, we are going to decorate this food plate, so let's get started. You can take different color of fruits or vegetable. Here we are going to cut small slices and put it on the top of the plate. We are making a lotus flower here. Put the leaves and stick as well and it's ready. We're going to make this beautiful flower food art, so let's get started. You can take any vegetable or fruit in place of this. After peeling out a very thin layer, we are going to fold it and make multiple cut on the top of it. Now flip it and start rolling it like we're doing here. Spread it and we're going to put a toothpick and your flower is ready. After this, we're going to cut small slices. We are making the different shapes of the fruit here and make the decoration piece around it, and look, it's ready. Let's make this creative food art. It is looking like a ladybug, so let's create it. First, we are going to cut small piece of cherry tomato and we are going to put another vegetable and make the head and legs like this, and look, it's ready. We are going to make this butterfly food art, so let's get started. You can take a beetroot or dragon fruit in place of this. Here we are going to make multiple fold. Now again fold it and make the wings. Make two such shapes and put it on the opposite direction. Now we are going to make the body, so take another piece and make multiple cut on the top of it using knife. We are going to remove small portion and give it shape like this, and we are also putting the eyes and antennas on the top of it, and look, it's ready. Look at this beautiful food art. Let's create it. You can take different vegetables or fruits in place of this, like you can take a turnip, beetroot, or you can take carrot and radish as well, and make this beautiful flower design. Here we are going to peel out the center portion of the vegetable and make the flower petals like this. You can get this tool from market and create this beautiful petals one after another. Look how we are doing here. After making the petal, we are removing a small portion and repeat the same process over and over again. Make the petals and remove the portion. Now we're also putting the pomegranate at the center, and look, it's ready. After making the flower, we're going to make the leaf as well. Put all of them one after another and decorate it further. Look how we are doing here in this video, and it's done. We are going to make this flower food decoration, so let's get started. You can take different vegetables, but we are going to cut the sides of the onion and carve a beautiful flower petal on the top of it. Look how we are doing here. You have to take a sharp knife or cutter and carve these pattern on the top of it. After cutting, we are going to make more such flower petals and put all of them one after another. Here we are going to make more flower petals and cover it like this. After doing this, we are going to take this green vegetable and we are going to peel the outer skin and look like this. Put it at the center of the flower. After this, we are going to add more decoration, like we are cutting these circles. Put it at the center. Let's make the leaf of the flower, so make multiple cut and put it around the flower like this, and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.